fresh. This is a fresh noodles. So this is good. Hot pot. Yummy. So I want put more water. Because this is a 2 pieces, 2 packs of udon Japanese ramen. So I do not put lyuta or spices, hot spicy, chili spicy, because Angela, I want her to eat this. I want Angela to try that one. So more water. Okay, this is enough. I think pumalo na. Okay. Wow, super. O, kusnog. Isa, diatriba. Probay. Super. Ciao, ciao, Angela. Moram da idim, ciao. Jaumiye, je jurim na izlazak. Nima problema, čuvaj ti. Pozdrav iz Hrvatska, Trogir. Bog vam. And now this one. I forget now. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Oh my God, Mama. Afraid. Okay. I need to quit eating because I need to go out. Shout out! 6 million viewers in the house. Best regards from Europe, Croatia. So guys, 1 hour, 30 minutes lang tayo or 1 hour. Because. Angela, ay puno papa. I try again because I put another ingredients. Taste good. Ni bashlano ni lyuta. I think this is enough. Because the noodles, this is, we try. Woo! Soft and chewy. So off now. Look guys, I have a yummy hot pot udon ramen, Japanese udon ramen with shrimp. It's so yum. So we're gonna eat now. We're gonna eat because we're gonna go out. That's it. Angela, ano mo ito? So guys, I'm gonna eat now because I'm so hungry. So Angela and I kumano daw siya. Okay. Yeah, dear. Ito ba? So we're gonna put now our anilag yung lugabi. Nito red to ang platinitos drago. Okay? Ode. Tama na. Nito, oh. Oh, chasha. Ito ba? Pumalo. 16 million viewers, shout out. Best regards from Europe, Croatia. It's a Japanese noodles, udon. It's a udon ramen Japanese, fresh, and with a lot of shrimp and herbs. So garlic, onions, fresh garlic, onions, and tomatoes. with powdered ginger, pepper, and little salt, and with oyster sauce and olive oil.